Pulling parts up the '09 Dodge Journey RT for the 2017 GT. As you see, most of the interior is pulled. The headliner is pulled. There's a headliner right there. I'm actually going to look into it and see if I can put the wirings there for the sunroof. And if it is, then I'll reuse that I'll use the sunroof. But we'll see. Most of the interior's out. This is actually being recorded after we did the auto swap meet. Made some money, found some things that I could use. But we're going to start tearing this one down. I need all the doors off of it. All the doors, fenders, pull the radiator support. I need to get the subframe out of it for the other one. I'll probably end up actually pulling the engine as well when I pull everything else. Gotta pull this fender off, straighten it. Hood I'm gonna straighten. This vent door needs a little bit of body work and needs some welding. Inside here, it kind of broke free right there and right there, so the door is not correct. See, you can lift the door up. That door has a little dent in it, but it needs to be saved. But yeah, this is just a little bit of an update on what I'm doing. I'll get back with you when I get more pulled. Got the roof airbags to pull. I got the windows to pull. I am actually gonna pull all this apart. Pull all this apart, get the rear quarter glasses out so they can be saved. Because the one on the driver's side, don't know how it happened, but it ended up getting broke. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna end up just pulling the glasses out of these and using them in the GT, because it's the same, all the glasses the same. Actually found out on the GT, this glass, the passenger front glass wasn't broke, it was just rolled down. But I'll get back with you when I get a little further along. Got the cross member out of the parts Dodge Journey. As you can see, gotta lift up the body so I can get the engine drug out of it. Drug out up underneath of it, and then I'll be able to move it around with the forklift. I actually show you the K member. Oh, first we're gonna go over to some parts I pulled off the the 17 Dodge Journey. There's the part of the front suspension, lower control arm, it got destroyed. Here's the strut. Don't think it's supposed to be at an angle like that. Don't think it's supposed to be at an angle like that. Here's the new K member or cross member, subframe, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it cross member, some people call it K member, so pretty much the same thing. Here's the whole right suspension. That strut probably not that great. At least it didn't break some things that I'm gonna need. Rack and pinion's not broke. Take you in here into the garage here. Actually got a lot of cars stripped down. Where's the K member is bent, cross members bent. It's all gonna come out of there. Even the rack and pinion, I believe, got toasted in the wreck. I don't believe it leaks though, so I don't know. I'll probably end up keeping it, but I probably won't leave it. I won't keep it in here. But yeah, I'll get back with you when I get a little further along. Sorry about the glare. I'm doing this outside. I got the subframe out. As you guys see, it got pretty busted up. That side's still good, but this side got destroyed in the wreck. Here's the replacement. I gotta pull the control arms off and the rack and pinion. So I'm actually gonna use the original rack and pinion. Here's the one out of the edge, or out of the Dodge Journey. Never got damaged, just the side over there got damaged. And this one actually was getting beat up by the rear drive shaft. These are all-wheel drive. And the parts car rear drive shaft, I'll actually show you later on. But the differential broke on for the rear drive shaft. Is the drive shaft beating it up, so I might as well just replace it. But I'll get back with you here shortly. After a bath at the car wash, and I stripped the cross member all the way down, took the control arms off, or lower control arms off, to make it lighter to go back in. I got the cross member all cleaned up. I actually switched the rack and pinion from the 2017 cross member over to the 09 cross member. Motor mount was switched over. The stabilizer bar was switched over. I still got to take this link off. I did switch tie rods, inner tie rod and outer. Here's the old one. It's bent. The inner tie rod was actually loose. I don't know if that happened during the wreck or what, but it was actually loose. But I actually did some switching. Ended up using the original steering column from the 2017 Dodge Journey. But now the fun begins shortly to get this thing back up in place. I took the control arms off, lower control arms off, to make it a little bit lighter. We'll see how well this works. Not looking forward to it, but it's got to be done. So we can get this on all fours, so I can move it in and out of the garage, basically to turn it around and get it so I can start working on it.